A messy kitchen can turn the simple task of washing dishes into a daily headache. Cups stacked awkwardly, plates leaning precariously, knives and cutlery scattered across the counter. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Fortunately, this Joseph Extend Steel Expandable dish drying rack is engineered to solve these very problems, transforming post-wash routines into an organized, stress-free experience. This premium stainless steel dish rack blends innovative design, space-saving functionality, and durability, making it the ultimate kitchen accessory for families, couples, or anyone seeking a cleaner, more efficient kitchen. The first feature that sets the Joseph dish rack apart is its extendable design. The smart two-part sliding tray allows you to effortlessly adjust the drying area to suit your needs. When fully extended, it provides ample space for larger wash loads, accommodating plates, bowls, cups, and even larger kitchen tools without overcrowding your countertop. When not needed, it can retract into a compact footprint, perfect for smaller kitchens or apartment setups. This flexibility ensures your dishwashing station is always optimized, no matter the size of the load. Organization and practicality are at the core of this dish rack. Its coated steel prongs with non-scratch tips securely hold plates, cups, and delicate dishware, protecting your kitchenware from scratches while maintaining stability. Raised ribs at the base ensure water drains efficiently, preventing puddles and keeping cups and glasses from sitting in stagnant water. This thoughtful engineering ensures faster drying times and reduces the risk of bacterial growth, giving you a cleaner, more hygienic kitchen environment. The movable cutlery drainer is another standout feature. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, it has slots for sharp knives and separate sections for forks, spoons, and other utensils. This ensures knives are stored safely while remaining easily accessible, eliminating the frustration of digging through piles of cutlery. Additionally, the sturdy rail at the back can hold chopping boards or larger items, providing a dedicated drying spot that prevents them from leaning awkwardly across your countertop. One of the most practical aspects of this dish drying rack is its versatile draining spout. Water can be directed straight into the sink, keeping your counters dry and clutter-free. The spout can be positioned in 3 different orientations depending on your sink layout, ensuring that every drop flows where it should. Coupled with raised ribs and non-scratch prongs, this system guarantees a dry, clean workspace while maintaining maximum efficiency. Durability and premium design are hallmarks of the Joseph Extend Steel Rack. Crafted from stainless steel with a fingerprint-resistant coating, it combines longevity with a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor. The materials resist corrosion, deformation, and daily wear, making this rack a long-term investment in both style and functionality. Its premium construction also ensures stability under heavy loads, giving you confidence that your dishes, cups, and utensils are secure. Daily usability is made simple thanks to its thoughtful layout. Setting up the rack is effortless. There are no complex assembly steps or hidden compartments to worry about. The extendable tray adjusts easily to accommodate anything from a small handful of dishes to a full family wash load. The movable cutlery holder, knife slots, and rear rail for chopping boards further enhance the organizational capability, keeping all items accessible while drying efficiently. This dish rack is ideal for a wide audience. Couples or small families will appreciate the ample drying space and versatility. Apartment dwellers and homeowners with limited countertop space will find its extendable and retractable design a lifesaver. Home chefs and cooking enthusiasts will benefit from the dedicated areas for chopping boards, knives, and utensils. Even those who simply value a clean, minimalist kitchen will love the modern stainless steel finish and the clutter-free drying solution it provides. From a design perspective, the Joseph Extend Steel Dish Rack achieves the perfect balance between function and style. Every detail, From non-scratch prongs and raised ribs to the sliding tray and multi-position draining spout, has been engineered to streamline your dishwashing process. It encourages proper kitchen hygiene, reduces clutter, and offers practical flexibility for daily use, making it an essential accessory for any kitchen. Many users praise the Joseph dish rack for its combination of durability, design, and usability. The extendable tray allows them to handle large wash loads without crowding, while the cutlery holder and knife slots provide safety and organization. The draining system ensures a dry countertop, eliminating one of the most common frustrations of dishwashing. Its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish not only looks premium, but also minimizes constant cleaning, which is a huge time saver in busy households. In short, the Joseph extends steel expandable dish drying Rackis more than just a kitchen accessory. It's a solution for efficiency, cleanliness, and style. Whether you're dealing with everyday dishes, larger family meals, or delicate kitchenware, this dish rack has you covered. Its extendable tray, movable cutlery drainer, non-scratch prongs, raised base ribs, and versatile spout make it a comprehensive, practical, and aesthetically pleasing solution. Key features and benefits: extendable and adjustable tray. Expands or retracts to suit small or large wash loads. Movable cutlery holder with knife slot. Keeps utensils organized and knives safely separated. Versatile draining spout. Directs water efficiently into the sink in 3 orientations. Non-scratch prongs and raised base ribs. Protects dishware and prevents water pooling. Sturdy rail for chopping boards. Accommodates larger kitchen items without crowding. Durable stainless steel finish. Resistant to corrosion, deformation, and fingerprints. Perfect for the Joseph extendable dish drying Rackis, ideal for couples or small families needing organized drying space. Apartment dwellers with limited counter space. Home chefs looking for dedicated storage for knives, chopping boards, and utensils. Anyone who values a clean, modern, and efficient kitchen setup. Upgrade your kitchen today and enjoy a cleaner, more organized counter. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Joseph Extend Steel Expandable Dish Drying Rack. With its smart, extendable design, premium stainless steel construction, and thoughtful drainage system, this rack will transform your dishwashing routine and keep your kitchen tidy and efficient. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.